This morning started out kind of crazy. Went from no cameraman filming myself to deciding to go back to town, get something to eat. Finally got a cameraman. We took off back out to the farm, got back out there, and there's turkeys in the field waiting on us already. There is a row of round bales in between us and the birds, so my bright idea, we're gonna get behind them and try to put the sneak on them. I called for about 20 minutes. They'd work my way just ever so slightly, and then they'd start working away from me. By now it's raining, it's coming down pretty good. I decide we only got one shot. We've got to get in front of these birds. They're headed to this little cutout across the field from us, and there's timber all the way around the field. To myself, I'm thinking we can get down in that timber, get around the front of them, and call them right to us. About 5 minutes after I called, I had a hen come by me at about 15 yards and drug 2 longbeards right in front of me. I knew the edge of this grass was about 45 yards, so if one could get in the opening, I was going to let him have it. Look at the spurs on that bad boy. Look at this baby. Oh, he's a little wet, but we got her done.
How big is the beard?
I don't know. Oh, big old paintbrush. Look at that. Look at that. 8:46. And we've been on these birds since what? 6:45?
Yeah, probably. We chased them from way over there with them hay bales. We were sitting right at the end of them on both ends. They're right out in the middle of the field. Found the shell, huh?
I am soaked from head to toe. And we killed a gobbler. That's my first gobbler in the rain.
Well, it's rain. What do you think it's rained this past 2 days?
At least 3.5, 4 inches. So all in all, it turned out a pretty good day. I knew if those birds were headed that way, we had to get in front of them, and we did. And we capitalized on that. Just like anytime turkey hunting, you got birds that are hung up, or you got birds that you know you can get around and get in front of. Don't be afraid to try anything. They didn't want anything to do up there, but that's why you get down in the timber, you get ahead of them, and you kill them. I'm soaked. Yeah, man, it's beach.